Welcome back to my channel. My name is negestyle, Jaredine, however you want to call me. Today we have a nail tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful nails. It's not nail polish. It's not a design I drew. It's nail transfer, foil transfer. This is how the foil transfers come in containers. And that's the first nail we're going to use for our tutorial today. We're going to need a base nail polish. I am using this lavender from Madame Glam as a base nail polish, and that's the foil glue we need. Very important. That was just the top coat. I just passed that fast. So let's go straight to doing this thing. We're applying the base nail polish. The lavender I picked, I'm applying that as a base under my nail foil. My wrap. What people call it, wrap foil. Nail transfer. It's more foil transfer. That's the name that's commonly used. I mostly use the foil transfer. Excuse me for my voice. I'm a little cold. That's why my voice is like this, but I'm good. I'm applying the nail polish as the base, and I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. So it's time to go straight to the foil transfer. This is the glue, as I said earlier, very, very important. You need this glue. Do not try to use top coat, base coat. It's not gonna work. This is what you need. So I'm going to apply it evenly over the nails. Make sure you put it everywhere. Make sure you cover all the area where you want the design, where you want the foil transferred to. It's like foil transferred. As the name says it, you're transferring foil to your nail. So in order to transfer the foil to the nail, you have to make sure the glue goes everywhere on the nail. To have a better outcome, you have to make sure you cover everywhere, and you cure for at least 90 seconds. I do 100 seconds. Cure for 90 seconds or 100 seconds, 120. That's fine. When I take it out, that's how it look like. Oh my God, it's beautiful. So you have the choice to use whatever angle you want. You want it this way, horizontal, vertical, but I think I'm gonna go like this. I want the edge to be a little pink. I'm not a fan of purple, but we're gonna be a little purple at the top right there. Yes, that's how we're going to do it. So I'm still waiting for it to cure. Once it cure, I take it out and transfer this to the nail. After curing it for 90 seconds or 2 minutes, 120 seconds, I'm going to transfer the foil to the nail like this. Don't make the mistake of putting the design on top of the nail. That's what I used to do all the time. I used to the design, I'm transferring the design straight to the nail, so I'm going to put the design on direct contact to the nail. Nope, that's not how you do it. You put the design facing upward to the nail. The design should face up like I'm doing right there, and then you gently press it down slowly, and don't move it too much because you're going to twist it around and mess the design. So you have to go slowly, starting from the middle, starting from the center. Then you rubbing it around with your finger, rubbing it around with your brush to transfer it to the nail. as you see me do. So always start with the center of the nail and then walk your way around to the sides. Then you can use this brush to like press it on more to make sure the transfer is really completed, like you transfer all the design to the nail, like the way I'm doing it. All right, I'm getting all the angles, all the corners. Make sure I get every angle, and voila. Wow, this is the best for transfer nail design I ever did. So I'm gonna go around and clean all those hanging pieces, clean it up, and I apply my top coat. Hold on. Let's pop this thing up. I'm going to apply this little flower on the side. I'm going to use my nail glue, regular nail glue, not foil glue. Regular nail glue, gel nail glue, to apply this little flower on the side. Cure for like 30 seconds, that's fine, or 60, and apply my top glue, and we are ready to go. That's the nail glue that I'm about to apply. First, we apply to glue my flower on the side. Just pop it up a little bit. It's not nice when it's simple and boring, so I added a little flower on the side. So we apply the top coat, we cure for 90 seconds or 100 seconds, and our nail is over. Our design is done and looking so beautiful. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you enjoy and learn something, and I'll catch you in the next one.